Well, hello! Welcome back, my frugal friends. I've got Mimi with me this evening. She will be handing me packages to open. All the things that I have found online that we're going to take with us to Disneyland have arrived. So it's time to bust them open and see what we have. Okay, only one thing at a time, Mimi. Put those down. She's excited. I'm excited. Let's do this.
Excited.
All right, so
I picked out this one.
package number 1. What can it be? Oh, it's ears. Ha ha.
This for Reagan.
These are for Reagan.
To be in
Cute
the video.
little ears. Simple.
Reagan wants to be in the
Saved like
videos.
$2.
Reagan
Oh,
wants to be
they
in the
fit
videos.
beautifully. So they're a perfect fit for him. I don't know that I will need to add any kind of embellishments to them, but we have a couple of months between now and when we go to Disneyland, and maybe we will think of something that he wants to add to them to decorate them just a little bit more. We shall see. All right, next. All right, now who else do we have coming in? Ah, Neva. She gets to be in our video.
Yay.
All right, let's see. James is in the office.
And we're watching a movie.
Okay, let's see. What is this one? Aha!
It's the Legos.
It is Disney Legos Cinderella. That is going to be one of Olivia's prizes, one of her surprise
Yes, 'cause she
prizes
loves
for
Legos.
while we are at
Now
Disneyland.
Olivia gets 3.
Those are really cute.
Olivia gets 3 now.
But we're not going to tell her what it is. We can't tell her. Okay, that's that one. All right, what's next?
Like,
Ooh, it's a big one. I know what this one is. Reagan, stay in the kitchen. You can't see this one.
and it's for you.
Well, yeah.
But you can't see it.
Well, no.
Only when it's Disneyland time.
Only when it's closer to Disneyland time. All right. Oh my goodness. What can this be? But don't say it.
I know.
We can't say it out loud because Reagan's in the other room.
awesome.
Whoa! Whoa!
How awesome is that?
That is so awesome. So how the girls are going to be dressed up all princessy. Reagan doesn't want to be a princess. So mommy got him this. Ooh, perfect.
Star Wars.
Perfect. He's going to love it.
Star Wars.
Yes, it is Star Wars. He can hear that part, but we can't say who it is. All right. Awesome. We got a really good deal on this. Super cool. I just hope it fits really well. Still haven't decided if I'm going to go back and buy...
Little body, look on the back.
Oh, that's an even better picture. Thank you, Mimi. Haven't decided if I'm going to go back to the store and get one of these things. Shh, don't say what it is. Because this does not come with that accessory.
Yeah.
We shall see. We shall see. Okay,
Yes.
next.
Next,
The box.
a tiny box.
Well, it's not tiny. What
Why, that
can
one
this
was a
be?
box.
No, that one was a package.
Yes.
That was a package. Ooh, being so
Who is
careful.
this for?
Well, they're all for me.
But what about
But
the
I
one for
will
Reagan?
share them with my babies.
But
Ugh.
what about the one for Reagan? That's for Reagan, right?
Ooh, ooh, ooh. Wait, this might be for Mimi. Oh, no, this is for Mommy. This one is for me. Oh, ha, 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 ha. Woo! Oh, my goodness. Look at this.
Open it, open it.
Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, I'm so excited.
Ew.
It
I
is.
love it on Mommy X.
Oh, it's so adorable. It is a mini with ears visor. And look at the bow. Isn't that fabulous?
Mommy, you should put that with
I
the
will,
Mickey Mouse.
but I'm not going to try it on yet because it's not time to go to Disneyland yet.
Only when it's Disneyland, put that over your Mickey Mouse hat.
Okay, we have to stick to the rules. I'm not letting them wear their ears, their new ears and stuff like that. These are 20 years old. I can wear these.
Yes.
But all of this stuff, we have to wait
And Mommy got this
till we
from
go
my mom.
to Disneyland. Is that Olivia finally home? It is Olivia finally home. Anyway, oh, don't tell her about the thing that came from her. For her. Don't tell her, guys. Don't say what it was that Olivia got.
I know.
Okay,
I don't,
Mimi.
I don't know what.
Oh, okay. Okay, well then don't say anything that we got. Except for these, because she's here and she can see them. Anyway, super excited about these. If you guys have been with us for any amount of time and have watched any of our outdoor videos, hiking or dumpster diving, you know that I wear Mimi, shh. I wear visors a lot and will definitely need one while we're at the park, but I wanted a special one and I got a really good deal on it, so there it is. Okay, that's all the small stuff. Now we have the one big, huge package, which is all of the stuff I got for free off of the Disney Store website by signing up for the Disney credit card, which also gives us all kinds of other perks and benefits at the park and other stuff. I'll link the video with all the pros and cons and rewards and everything that, you know, you can get with that card. I already did a video of that, so I'll link that to this, and then you can see what all we considered as we made our decision. Anyway, let's bust this open and see what's inside. The paper! Oh my goodness, you guys, the paper! Oh, freak out time. Look at this tissue paper. Look at this tissue paper. Look at this. Have you ever seen anything so marvelous? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh. Okay, you guys can't look at this stuff yet because I don't know what all is in here. Okay. This paper. Look at this paper. All right. This day. I will tell you, $100 doesn't cover very much. Even on sale, even on clearance on Disney, but it all ended up being free, so that was super cool. Okay, we have some oofoofy, a Snow White oofoofy. Oh, and they're scented. They even smell good. And then we have R2-D2, mostly plush, but has like crunchy, has like stiff parts. Look how, and his head turns. And then another oofoofy. And she smells really good. And she's just Minnie Mouse, and she says, I smell of apple blossoms. And she does. Then, ooh, Olivia, turn over there. You can't, and don't say this out loud, Mimi. Even though you're so jealous, don't say it. Because you get other stuff, so don't worry about this.
So much stuff.
Those of you that were so worried that Olivia would not get enough princess stuff, because we were having such a hard time finding stuff. And we found tons of stuff for Mimi, but we were having such a hard time finding stuff for Lulu. Look at this. Oh, no. It's not wanting to focus very well. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Look at this. It is ridiculous. Oh, and they even have little squishies on here to keep that from getting ruined. Oh, my gosh. Look at, oh, no. Oh, it's gorgeous.
That's so beautiful.
That is so beautiful. Oh, and pretty good construction, too. I mean, that's solid. That's really, I mean, that's top of the line for my girl. Okay. All right. You can look now, Lulu. All right. Then
That's good. That's
some shirts.
Pretty.
All right. This one is for me.
But what about the one for me?
Yours are already downstairs. We already got plenty for you. And it says, true love is a blast. And it's Minnie and Mickey smooching. How cute is that? Yep, you can look right here, see? And this one is for Daddy. How cute that is. Oh, boy! That's adorable. Oh, I'm in love. That's so fabulous. And then, last but not least...
Mommy's in love with Mickey Mouse.
That's true. Last but not least is another thing for Olivia. So turn around, Olivia. Well, go downstairs or something. You can't see your surprises. Don't say what it is, Mimi. Look at this gorgeous shirt, and it even has glitter. Glitter. It is a shirt with glitter, and it's gorgeous. I told you she would get plenty of princessy girly stuff. See? Oh, dee-dee-dee. Woo! So it turns out there was another box of Disney stuff coming, which was hard to wait for it to get here, but also it was exciting waiting for it to get here, and now it's here. So let's just look. It's only 3 things, but I'm so excited. So there is in this plastic, and I'm going to keep it in the plastic until it's time to gift it, because just to make sure it stays nice. But anyway, it is Bambi. How freaking adorable is that? And it has like a adorable little butterfly friend on it, on the tail. And on the Disney website, it was only $10 on clearance. How cool is that? Plus, of course, we got it for free because of the credit card thing. But yeah, super awesome. Most likely going to be a friend gift. I think it is fantastic. It'll probably look even cuter out of the bag. Then for Reagan, and he is just in the other room and will hear me, so I can't say this out loud, but I'm just going to show you, and just know he will be so excited because this is so awesome and also a really good price. There, no glare. Now you can see what that is. Pretty cool, huh? Yeah, so that is for one of the gift surprises that they'll be getting daily at the park from me. Me. Shh. And very last, but certainly not least, and my favorite, mostly because it's for me and is freaking awesome, is this retro 80s fanny pack. If you've been with us for any amount of time, you know that I love rocking the fanny packs, bringing them back. And this does have Mickey Mouse on it, super cute, with little pink pants, pink shorts. That's kind of interesting.
Can I see?
Wow, isn't that awesome? And then all these fun Mickey, totally 80s shapes. Pretty cool, huh? So I'm super excited about that. My only problem with it is that it doesn't have a water bottle pocket, which I have on my daily, like regular fanny pack that we use for like hiking and walking and stuff. But there is that metal, like aluminum Mickey Mouse water bottle that I found in the dumpsters like last summer or the summer before. And it has a hook thing. What are those hook things called for when you're rock climbing and you like belay or whatever it's, you know what I'm talking about, one of those little hooky things. And I can just hook it on to this super awesome waistband. So there you go, all taken care of. Not like perfectly ideal, but it'll do. It'll do just fine. And hello, it's Mickey. And it feels pretty good. Like it feels pretty durable, pretty good quality, I think. Yeah, I wish they could feel it too. Anyway, all of that is all of the Disney stuff that we have ordered online. All of it delivered. There's only a couple more things that I am even looking for our trip. In fact, I can't think of anything at this moment. Oh, no, I know. We still need to get little notebooks for Olivia and Mariah. I have one for Reagan, but I'm going to get them little notebooks so they can kind of take notes of whatever. Maybe. We'll see what we find. Other than that, I really don't think we need anything but like food and stuff when it's actually time to go. Anyway, that was so much fun. Thank you for joining us on this little adventure. Have a wonderful Disney day. We will see you all soon. Bye.